Hello, everybody! Celebrity Cruises is one of a handful of cruise lines that still offers a lobster night. In this video, we'll show you what the menu and food were like from the Once a Cruise Lobster Night. You do get one lobster tail for free, though if you ask nicely, your waiter might bring you another one. These were from our New Year's 2023 cruise aboard the Celebrity Millennium. And the lobster night happened to be on New Year's Eve. Check it out!
For on vinegar, this one is a lemon.
Okay, I take that. Just a little bit. Thank you. Here. Happy New Year, everybody! Ooh, look at that. That looks so pretty. It's like a piece of art. Salmon with potato. There you go. Bon appetit. The salmon is so tender. So smooth. It's almost like salmon sashimi. It's so elegant, this dish. The way they put it together with all these ingredients. That is one of the most elegant appetizers I've ever eaten before. That's really good. It has some kind of really strong smoked ham. Not bad. I'll pass. Lobster bisque. It's okay. I mean, it's creamy. I just don't taste that seafood flavor to it.
No lobster chunks under.
Oh, I haven't really digging. Nowhere to be found.
But it does taste different from the other creamy tomato soup you just tried.
Yeah, the other one, it has a very strong smoked ham flavor to it. It's almost like artificial smoke flavor they put in there. If you tell me this is like tomato soup, I will believe you. It's not the best lobster bisque I've tried.
I think it's seafood.
Blue cheese double souffle, okay? Okay. Oh yeah, you can taste the blue cheese for sure. Not sure if it will be an ideal first date appetizer. Oh my goodness, the blue cheese. If you like blue cheese, yeah, this is your appetizer. I mean, it's good. The souffle is silky, smooth, and then the light, nice creamy sauce. But the blue cheese is, I think it's a little bit overpowering to me. Even though I know it's supposed to be blue cheese souffle, but it's really strong. A little bit,
Caviar.
some little bit of caviar right here. We try that. Caviar. It's fun to eat those caviar. Pop, pop, pop in your mouth. The salmon is good. I like it how it's not dry. Because some of them, they make it dry. But this one is nice and creamy. They should give you a little bit of toasted bread on the side. That'd be really good with this. Lobster tail looks pretty. Just flip that. Let's see if I can do it in the most civilized way. Oh, okay. I managed to take it off without making a big mess. Let's flip this so it looks prettier. Okay, let me try it by itself. Huh, Interestingly, waiter didn't offer butter sauce. Mm. They cook it perfectly. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice in there. Just a little bit. Oh, I love it how they cook it just right, like medium kind of, not overcook at all. I like that. And it has a nice crunch to it, and the sweetness from the lobster meat. Oh, this is one of the best. I didn't even need butter sauce. Let's try the rice. Rice good, but oh man, the lobster is phenomenal. The way they cook it. You know, it's. I would just eat one lobster tail and make it cook perfectly like that, rather than eat like overcooked multiple lobster tail. So good. That is one of the best cooked lobster I've eaten on the cruise ship. Beef tenderloin. Just on the rice is good. Thank you. Rare to me, they're in the middle, but okay. Let's try this. Tender. Definitely lived up to its name. That's good. The sauce is good too. A little bit of wine in the sauce. A little bit of mushroom maybe. Delicious. Ooh. Over here I can feel the skin kind of crispy. You just try the skin first, okay? Very crunchy. The breast area here. With some orange sauce. Right there. The skin is not as crispy as I expected, but it's fine. The meat is very tender. The orange sauce is pretty good. Orange flavor. It's slightly bitter, maybe from the orange sauce. That's a really good dish. If you like duck, this is definitely your dish. Truffle, mushroom truffle risotto. This is a one gourmet vegetarian dish. Flavor of the risotto is really good. I like the Parmesan cheese. It does have that truffle flavor to it. The mushroom is good too. This is good dish. That's very nice dish. Baked Alaska. So festive. Ooh, my goodness. Excuse me. That was that's because I exercised this morning. Gained all these strength and muscle. Not the prettiest bite, but it has everything in it. That's good. The strawberry ice cream is stand out the most actually. It's good. You know, classic. You can't go wrong with baked Alaska. It's good. You can definitely taste the brandy in here. That's for sure. The brandy and the cherry is actually really nice. If only the ice cream is a little more creamy, it'd be perfect. Papa Aram, the name is just alone make me want to dance already. Ooh, it's like a rum cake. This, no. This cake here is spongy and it's basically absorb all these rum sugar liquid. It's good. The rum flavor is actually not that strong. Just enough. It's sweet though. Not bad. The thing is citrusy. The outside has a lemon flavor. Inside is kind of like jam. And with the cake, nice and soft. It's good. This is the macaron. Alright, I'm just going use my hands instead. Oh my goodness, falling apart. I see some chocolate inside. That looks promising. Oh. Gooey. Kind of stick into your teeth. They're sugary. Actually, it's pretty good. Let me take another bite. But I like this chocolate in the middle. That's really good. It's like you're eating a piece of chocolate in the middle.
Just gonna take the work.
It's good. I like it.
And that was Lobster Night by Celebrity Cruises. What did you think? What appetizer, mains, and desserts would you order? Let us know with a comment, and please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also be sure to check out our other celebrity food videos for a lot more. Thank you very much, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll see you soon in another video.